Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at what is going on with this 8% drop in Bitcoin and a down day in general in the crypto markets. This is following a down week, which was kicked off by Elon Musk. And we'll go into the reasons behind what happened yesterday and what's going on today as the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins are dropping. Not all altcoins, but most of them. But first, let's begin with a meme. Here you have Jeffrey E. and Bill G. They're hanging out, in a photo here. And the title of the meme says, "When you're newly single, but your old bud can't hang." All right, that's a good meme. Maybe he can't hang. Who knows? Maybe he is somewhere. Who knows? Anyway, so we have Bitcoin right now, which is this is bad. 24-hour percent drop, 14%. 24-hour percent drop of 14. That's bad. 7-day drop, 30%. Ethereum's at 22% down for the day, 36%, 7 days. And as you go down, Binance Coin also got clobbered. Cardano, it passed the $2 mark, but it's now gone to 162. Doge also down. Everything's just in the red, guys. Everything is in the red. Now, as I said, a lot of this was kicked off by Elon Musk and his tweets about Bitcoin in the environment, and then Bitcoin not being decentralized, and then how Tesla may sell their Bitcoin. Of course, they didn't sell their Bitcoin. Elon Musk walked that back the other day and said Tesla has no plans to sell their Bitcoin. And of course, they don't have any plans to sell their Bitcoin because, as I said in a video that I did previously, I explained that a lot of this is just about, in my opinion, is about driving the price of Bitcoin down and of cryptos down in general. And the reason is that the institutions, Wall Street, the institutions, the oligarchs, they want in. They want in. And the game plan is simple. I don't think there's any 4, 5, or 6D chess being played here, not by Musk, not by anybody, even though there's a lot of videos that say this is all, there's all about getting carbon credits and all kinds of other stuff. I don't think so. I think at the end of the day, this is just about creating a lot of fear, creating a lot of uncertainty in the market, driving that price down, and just creating a very attractive entry point for the institutions to come in. The oligarchs, the institutions, the Wall Street guys, the Jamie Dimons, JP Morgans, Goldman Sachs, all these guys to just come in. In other words, get the everyday people to sell their Bitcoin so we can come in and buy it. At the end of the day, this is about money, power, and control. And it's working. It is working. Look, it's not financial advice. Everyone has to do what they feel is right. Do the research. You know your financial position better than anyone else, and make your decisions as to how you want to proceed further with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with the crypto market in general, and investing in general. This is not financial advice. Don't listen to me for financial advice. But in my case, this is a buying opportunity. Buy the dip, buy the dip. That's my thinking. And that is what I am going to do. That is what I have been doing. You don't have to throw all your money into it and buy everything. Just, dollar cost average. Just, every day or every 3-4 days, just chip away and keep on buying at that dip. You're never going to get to the ultimate low. You're never going to sell at the ultimate high. You're never going to buy at the ultimate low. You're never going to sell at the top high. But, if you see that things are trending down and you believe that this asset class is going to go up by a lot, which I believe, once again, not financial advice, but I believe we will be looking at a Bitcoin that will be in the 6 figures, maybe more, then you buy when these opportunities come. But in general, I think the game that is being played here is not chess, but more like checkers. Scare the crap out of people, scare the absolute crap out of everybody, especially people that are new to this asset class, new to this game, get them to sell, and then we're going to come in and buy it all up. That is what the oligarchs, the Elon Musks, the Jamie Dimons, JP Morgans, Goldman Sachs, all of these guys, that's what they're saying, and that's what they're doing. That is exactly what they're doing. So, big drop. Big drop. 38,000. Now, could it go down further? Yeah, it could go down further. I've heard some reports saying $27,000, $28,000. I don't know. I thought there was a good support level at $40 to $43,000 range, but for Bitcoin. But it's dipped under 40. That is worrying. That is worrying. Maybe we might be getting into some sort of short-term bear market. Maybe. It's possible. But let's just see it play out. No reason to panic. If you've got a good position in the market and you've done your homework and you have some spare change, then it's a good opportunity. It's a good opportunity to buy. But one of the reasons that there is a lot of fear is because this news came out yesterday, and it says that Bitcoin tumbles below 40,000 after China issues a warning. So the reason I'm so confident that all of this fear and uncertainty is being driven by the institutions, by the oligarchs, and their mainstream media lackeys, their mainstream media puppets, is because of stories like this. So after Elon Musk did his job and he knocked Bitcoin down to the $43,000 range, pat on the back, Elon, good job. That's what all his oligarch buddies are saying. Great job. Let's now knock it down to 40 and below. That's what they said. And they called up their media puppets in Bloomberg and CNBC, CNN, all these places. And they said, let's hit this down further. And let's create a whole bunch of fear and uncertainty. And they came out with this story from China. Now, China is not banning Bitcoin again. It's banned it 100 times. Who the hell cares at this point? Who cares? Pretty much all the mining is done in China anyway. 50% of the mining, how much? 70% of the mining is done in China anyway. But they have this, the Chinese government has this thing with Bitcoin. They've got this thing with Bitcoin. It's like a toxic relationship, you know? One minute they're in love, the next minute they hate them. The next minute they're in love, the next minute they hate them. Anyway, this has been going on forever. China, we're going to ban Bitcoin. No, we're not going to ban you. Yeah, we're going to ban Bitcoin. No, we're not going to ban you. Who cares? Anyway, it's gotten so old, whatever. China did have some institutions come out, and they just pretty much reiterated their position as to how they see Bitcoin. In other words, they issued a word of caution. That's it. That is it. But the mainstream media ran with this and they created all kinds of scary freaking headlines. And they got the news out there real quick. China's banning Bitcoin. China's banning Bitcoin. China's banning Bitcoin. And that was it. Bitcoin just kaboom. That's why this is all fabricated. This is fabricated, media manipulated propaganda fear. And it's working. It's working. They're taking Bitcoin from the everyday people and they're putting it in the pockets of the oligarchs and the institutions. Malaka. It works. Propaganda works. We saw it throughout the elections in the United States. We see how propaganda works. And it does work. It really does work. Look, here it is. Here, let me just read you exactly what happened in China. And this is from France 24. Bitcoin plunged below 40,000 for the first time in more than 3 months Wednesday after China said cryptocurrencies would not be allowed in transactions and warned investors against speculative trading in them. Okay? So the comments sent Bitcoin diving down more than 10%. This follows Elon Musk and what he said. Trading in cryptocurrencies has been banned in China since 2019 to prevent money laundering as leaders try to stop people from shifting cash overseas. The country had been home to around 90% of the global trade in the sector Here in the statement, here it is in the statement, 3 state-backed industry associations. This is just a statement, guys, just a statement. 3 state-backed industry associations: the National Internet Finance Association of China, the China Banking Association, and the Payment and Clearing Association of China said cryptocurrency prices have skyrocketed and plummeted, and cryptocurrency trading speculation activities have rebounded. The price fluctuations seriously violate people's asset safety and disrupt normal economic and financial order, said the statement, which was posted to social media by the People's Bank of China. The notice warned consumers against wild speculation, adding that the losses caused by investment transactions are borne by the consumers themselves. Said Chinese law offers no protection to them, since Chinese law offers no protection to them. It's just a statement. It's just a statement. That's it. Basically, these 3 Chinese institutions are just saying, look, everybody, we've got certain laws against cryptocurrency, number 1. Number 2, if you're going to start getting involved in cryptocurrency, understand that it's volatile. And number 3, if you lose your shirt and you get wrecked and all your money goes poo-poo, we can't help you. That's basically what this statement says. That's it. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed in China with their laws as to how they treat cryptocurrencies. But the media went crazy with this story. And so you have this drop. Whatever China has done with Bitcoin, it's done. And whatever it announces going forward with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, c'est la vie. It's not going to stop the blockchain. It's not going to stop DeFi. It's not going to stop Bitcoin. If anything, it's going to make it more and more popular. The more you try to stop something, the more you try to ban something, the more popular it becomes, especially something like Bitcoin. The countries that are going to win out in all of this at the end of the day are going to be the countries that embrace this.